Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and today I'm going to share with you the July 2020 Quilty Box. And this is a fun box, and I was super excited when I opened it and saw everything in it, and I will share it all with you now. Okay, let's see what's in the July 2020 Quilty Box. One thing about Quilty Box is they always include these really fun bundles of inspiration booklets. And inside the booklet, they have information about the designers that are included in their box. This month is Tula Pink. They also include free patterns that you can use that use the products within their box. And they almost always, I think if not every single time, have something that you can do with paper pieces. So some really fun projects. They're previewing next month is going to be Juicy Juice. So he will be the August box person. Okay, so as I mentioned, this month is Tula Pink, and we have 6 fat quarters. And I'll just go ahead and open them up. Tula's fabrics are always so bright and beautiful. I love using them as small bits in scrappy quilts. Oh, I love this one with the hexagons. I haven't actually opened these yet. And this is a really fun print as well. More hexagons and some more backgrounds. So just really, really gorgeous prints from Tula. And the collection is True Colors. Also some Aurifil thread in a really gorgeous blue color. And this is a bigger piece of Tula yardage. So I'm imagining that you could use it for the backing on this quilt, but what's really neat about this is that this is wrapped around one of those small fabric storage boards, and it's really nice how it holds it super neatly. And this is a pretty big cut of fabric, but yet it stores it so neatly, and then you can clip it together and you could actually stack these up on your shelf like bolts of fabric. So I love that they included that storage board. I've seen them advertised and I haven't had one before. This is a really fun box. There's lots of stuff in here. This is a little sewing machine patch. So it looks like you could sew it onto a bag or something, or you could probably even use it on the back of a quilt for a quilt label. And then we've got some Tula Pink unicorn head straight pins, which I will have to hide from my granddaughters because they love unicorns. And finally, there's just a really fun little sewing machine shaped keychain. And really cute, with a little fob that you can attach to a bag and a key ring. So just really fun stuff in this month's Tula Pink box. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing of the July 2020 Quilty Box. Just a couple things I wanted to add. I checked in the booklet, I hadn't looked before. There is a full yard of fabric on this mini bolt, and this is called a bolt buddy. I looked that up too. So the little clip is called a bolt buddy, and this is a mini bolt. And yeah, a full yard of fabric wrapped up. I love that. Such a great box. Also, since this is the first time I've shared a Quilty Box unboxing, I will put the information that you need in the description below. You can subscribe to their boxes. They do trend on the modern, so if you're a modern quilter, you're going to absolutely love their boxes. And I believe they also sell extra boxes when they have extras at the end of the month, and also some extra fabric bundles. So I'll just put links to all of that you can get from their website, and I'll have that in the description below so that you can click on that. I hope that you'll subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thanks so much for stopping by.